Hi, today I am going to teach you how to do some healthy muffins. For this we will need 2 cups of this gluten-free flour. I chose this one because my son is allergic to flour or to gluten, and also because I think it's a bit more healthy than normal flour. You will also need 1 or 2 bananas because these ones are small. I chosen 2. You will need 1/3 cup of oil. I chose some coconut oil, and 3/3, like 3/4, so up to here, of honey. Okay. You also will need to rasp the skin of a lemon, and use some baking soda. Okay, 1 spoon. I put all the ingredients here. You will need a little bit of water, yeah, some liquid, and you can also add to the muffins nuts, blueberries, or some cacao. Yeah, so again, flour, coconut oil, honey, some bananas, some water, baking soda, some lemon, and you can also add some nuts and some blueberries. Other materials that you will need is a comb or a bowl where you can put all the ingredients, and some muffins forms. First, turn your oven at 160 degrees and then preheat it for a few minutes. The next step is to put all the dry ingredients first. So we're gonna put the flour, 2 cups. I already placed one, and we put a second one. And then you're gonna put the baking soda. When working with gluten-free flour, you need to make sure that you add some Santana gum, because if not, your muffins are not going to be fluffy, and they're going to lose all the air. So if you don't want to lose the air with a gluten-free flour, you're going to add Santana gum. You can buy this in any shop or even in the supermarket. So once you finish with the dry ingredients, now I'm going to add the wet ingredients. So I'm going to smash a banana, and I am going to add the oil and the honey. Now I'm going to put the cocoa oil. If I open it, you have to be about 1/3 of a cup, so I'm going to put this amount. It's now hard. But as long as it takes some temperature, it's going to be liquid. And it should be fine. Yeah, that's about 1/3 of a cup. And then I need to add the honey. Honey takes quite a lot. So I'm going to open it. It takes 3/3 of a cup, so about that amount. Yeah. With my hands, you can see the wet and the dry ingredients are getting together. Opa. Make sure you don't do that. And you can see it's a bit dry, so I need to add what I asked you, a little bit of water. I chosen for warm water. I add a little bit until I see it has a good. Don't put too much. Always little by little. I'm making a mess. Once it's ready, make sure that the coconut oil is also well spread out and not in split, not anymore in pieces. Okay, so make sure. What I'm going to do, I am going to add to half of them nuts, and to the other half I'm going to add blueberries. I come with this texture, yeah. So now I'm going to place them inside the cups that I have, the paper cups. I think that's enough. I am going to put the nuts on it, inside them, and so they should be about this size, yeah, a bit smaller. And then we're gonna put them inside. I'm gonna make sure that I press them in. Oops. And you're gonna do the same for the 6 muffins. So basically you are going to press, and then you're gonna put a little bit on the top. And you're gonna repeat for the 6 muffins. Okay, so now I finished the 6 of them, and I'm going to put it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then I'm gonna check with a knife, and I'm going to go and inside with a knife and see if the knife is dry. Then the muffins are ready. I'm gonna start with the blueberry muffin, so I am going to do the same. From what I learned from my other muffins is I need to put a little bit less at the beginning, because then the nuts or the muffins are gonna take quite a space in the muffin, and you don't want your muffins to be very high, because hopefully they are going to rise in the oven. Okay, so just a little bit. Then my assistant is going to put 2 to 3 blueberries on each muffin. Basically, I had enough for 12 muffins, but I still think I could do another 6 with what I'm left here. So our recipe is good enough for about 18, 12 to 18 muffins, yeah, which I think is more than enough for a nice afternoon cup of tea. I have finished the 18 muffins, and I have cleaned up the whole kitchen. I ended up putting my muffins for 15 minutes in the oven, and I'm going to check them out now. I'm going to replace them. I'm going to put the blueberry ones now, and I'm going to invite some members of my family to try them, and I'm going to let you know how nice they taste. Have fun. Enjoy. I finished the muffins, and I cooked them for about 20 minutes, and I have my first victim. How were they?
Yeah, they were good.
Yeah, so I'm gonna show you a little bit
Here's
how
the
they look
inside.
like. Yeah, quite fluffy for gluten free.
Yeah.
And this is mine. I'm going to eat this one. Ooh, tastes really nice, guys.